So how did folks 5,000, 10,000, 20,000 years ago build primitive bows? They built it with one ingenious tool. Now I'm going to be doing some primitive bow builds coming up, but before I do, I got to build the tools that I'll need to make those primitive bows. And one of those tools is an adze. One flake has shaped and smoothed my handle. An adze used for shaping wood, reducing the amount of wood that you got to scrape with a stone flake. Yes. Not bad. Blade's holding up, hafting is still tight. Might shorten the handle just a little bit so I can get more of a swing, But for now, let's see, let's try some of these knots. Oh yeah. That blows through knots and where branches were. Sometimes scraping over a cut branch just takes forever. This will definitely help, that's for sure. That is one Stone Age adze. This is something that I can use in bow making, building canoes, but it's another chopping tool. It's really a woodworking tool. Polished adze head set into an ash handle, wrapped with some all natural cordage. Great little tool. You'll be seeing this one again. All right, that's an adze. Thanks for watching.